I explain office politics using Uno cards, so just stick with me. Every organization has different players, and just like the game of Uno, you want to make sure that the cards in your hand are going to help you win the game. In this case, they're going to help you excel in corporate America, right? In my hand, I have 5 essential cards. Watch to the end because I'm going to give you an example as well. This card is the best card you could have in your hand, okay? This is going to be the person in the organization who makes all the decisions. Sometimes people think this is the CEO, but it's really not. You need to pay attention to how this person interacts with everybody in the organization and how everyone in the organization interacts with them. Sometimes it's someone in senior level management. Sometimes it's someone in middle management that people are just really afraid of. People want to please them. People want to make sure that that person feels validated at all times because they are the true decision maker. They are going to make sure that you don't get fired. They're going to make sure you get the promotion and your raise. So this is a person that you need to put in your pocket. How I make sure that this person is happy and how they're in my back pocket is I laugh at all their jokes. Even if I don't think it's funny, I might give them a little I ask them how their weekend was. I ask them how their kids are, if they had any. I validate their responses in meetings. Even if I think what they're saying is so foolish and dumb, I'll still be like, oh my gosh, yes, that makes so much sense. Great point. Because this person is going to make my life at the organization easy. They're going to make sure that I will continue to get my direct deposit. Now, you have the wild card, right? This is the right hand of the top dog. You want to be friends with the right hand, okay? Because if you can't get close to the top dog, you at least want to have a good relationship with the person they trust most in the organization. Some key traits of this person may be the person who kisses this person's butt the most. I hate to say that, but it's going to be the overachiever. It's going to be the person who's all up in their ear all the time. And they may be annoying, but you need to laugh at their jokes as well and ask them about their kids, friends, and family. Now, these cards are interesting because they're your colleagues, but they're very important. Let's start with the number, okay? This one is your equal. They may have started on the same day as you, but what I like to do with this regular person is I like to pick the overshare. My coworker who gives too much information, because you know what they're going to do? When I'm not in a meeting or I'm not on a call, they text me, they say, girl, let me tell you what happened. Yeah, tell me what happened so I can better understand this organization and the people in it. Then you have these two colleagues, right? They are good play cards. They can help you. Sometimes they're in different departments. But when people in different departments or just across the organization like you and your personality, it helps for continuity of perceived personality. Now for my example, when I was working at an Ivy League university, my boss hired 4 people to work on this program. When the program ended, the organization said you need to let go of everybody. And slowly she started to let go of everyone until I was left because I made sure that I was her right hand. And when they told her, well, there's no need for me anymore, she made sure I got a job in another department. That is how you use politics to your advantage.